Welcome back, fourth grade mathematicians. So right now we are working on Math IXL. We go down to the date. We click on the second skill. We need to spend 40 minutes on IXL today or master both skills, whichever comes first. That means if you master the two skills like that, you're done. But if it takes you a little bit longer, don't spend more than 40 minutes on IXL today. I'm going to do B2 because this is the skill that I have not worked on yet. I, of course, double check that my name is in that upper right-hand corner. If my name is not up there, I don't get credit for it, so it's not worth it. I can see that today I'm going to be doing word problems, and with word problems, I do something a little special. Every time I have a word problem, I write down a few things. Now, as we go on throughout the year, you'll see why we write down each of these things, but right now, I just want you to start getting in the habit of it. So when there's a word problem, I'm going to write down these words: total, equal, multi, and then I'm going to write down my symbols. So add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Because in fourth grade, you're going to get used to seeing a lot of problems that have you do all of these things or a few of these things in one problem. So the first thing is I'm looking to see if I have the total or if I need to find the total. If I have equal groups or if I have different groups. If it's multi-step or not. Like I said, not all of these things will you be using yet, but as we go on throughout the year, you will be. Let's read the question. An oil pipe in the sea broke. Before engineers started to fix the pipe, 4,742 liters of oil leaked into the water. That sounds like key information, so I'm going to write it down. 4,742 liters. And this, I'm going to say, leaked. While the engineers worked, the pipe leaked 5,857 more liters of oil. How many liters of oil leaked into the water? So we don't have a total. It's asking us for the total. So no total. Is it equal groups? Meaning, are those the same numbers over and over? No, this number and this number are two different numbers. So no, they are not equal groups. Is it a multi-step problem? No, we only have two things to deal with. Now, since we're looking for the total, that means our number is going to get bigger. When we add, our number gets bigger. When we subtract, our number gets smaller, so we can't be subtracting. When we multiply, our number gets bigger, okay? When we divide, our number gets smaller. We're breaking it into smaller groups, so it can't be divided. So I know that I'm either going to add or multiply here, okay? So if I'm adding, that means that I'm adding two things that are not equal or multiple things that are not equal. If I multiply, it's the same number in every group. Well, they're not equal groups, so I'm not multiplying. That means that I'm just adding these two numbers up. 4,742 liters plus 5,857 liters. 2 plus 7 equals 9, write the 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9, write the 9. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Write the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 5 equals 10. Write the 10. What's the answer? 10,599. And luckily, they already give us the label. Our label is liters. I'm just double checking that I wrote the correct thing in. You don't have to write a comma on IXL in order for it to transfer. Awesome. Now I'm going to erase my problem. I'm going to erase my symbols, erase my keywords, and then erase my answers to these questions. But I'm going to leave my questions up so I don't have to rewrite them. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. I'm going to read the question once, and I'll go back and pull out key information. At the Arcadia Community Bank, there are 7,883 bills in the teller's cash drawer. In addition, 5,805 bills are locked in the vault. In total, how many bills does the bank have? Well, they currently have 7,883 bills in the drawer, and then they have 5,000, so this equals drawer, 5,805 in the vault. And it's asking in total, so that means we don't already have the total. Are these two numbers the same? No, so it's not equal groups. We only need to add up those numbers. We don't need to deal with anything else. So no, it's not multi-step. Because we're looking for the total, we know our number is going to get bigger. So we're going to eliminate the two things that make our number smaller, which is subtraction and division. Then we have addition and multiplication. Since it's not equal groups, we know we're not multiplying, so we're adding. Once again, we have 7,883, and we're going to add 5,805 to it. 3 plus 5 equals 8, write the 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8, write the 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16, write the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8, plus 5 equals 13, write the 13. What's the answer? 13,688. When I say what's the answer, I want to make sure that you're actually saying that out loud. One of the things that you really need to have down in 4th grade is your place values. So just knowing how to say numbers and understand them. If you've got that down, you're going to make this first 2 weeks really, really easy. And I want to make your life easy. We'll do one more together. Then you'll do the rest on your own. Once again, I'm leaving up that total, equal, and multi. But get used to writing that whenever there are word problems because we do it a lot in this class. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Students in the Richmond School District are collecting toys for children. Last week, they collected 5,956 toys. This week, they collected 8,384. How many toys have they collected so far? Well, let's pull out how many they collected last week. So last week, they collected 5,956. And this week, they've already collected 8,384. And we want to know how many. And how many implies How many total? So no, we don't currently have the total. We need to find it. These numbers, are they the same? No. So they're not equal groups. And we're just dealing with these two numbers. So it's not multi-step. Since we know that we're looking for a total, which means our number is going to get bigger, we're going to cross out the two things that make numbers smaller, which is subtraction and division. We're left with addition and multiplication. Then we look at equal groups. Since they are not equal groups, it's not the same number over and over. It's not multiplication, it's addition. I'm going to stack them up. 5,956 plus 8,384. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus 8 equals 14. Write the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus 8 equals 14. Write the 14. What's the answer? 14,340. Double checking that I type it in correctly before I hit submit. And move on. Hope this helped. The process of writing everything down might sound like this takes way too long, but it shows me that you understand where your answer is coming from. It shows your work. And if you can do this on the simple problems, when we start doing the really complex problems, you'll have it down. Bye, guys.